I can hear another one too. So I don't know if that one's taken off or if one's arrived on that.
Pictures, I guess. It's not moving. Oh, it'll be moving for now. Well, that's cool. You can take pictures of video.
Jules. Nearly 2 minutes. Oh. I got photobombed. I literally got photobombed by V1 then. Come on. Move. I'll do 3 minutes. If it doesn't start moving, it's gonna be a boring video for 3 minutes.
After the 3 minutes, after you're going.
Far out.
Come on, mate, move.
Can you take off? Oh, he is.
Now it starts to move.
That's actually pretty cool. Okay. Let's see if it's that one that's waiting on.
Do another minute.
Oop. Come on, are you gonna start moving?
Maybe he's having a lunch break. I would really say.
Quite possibly.
Yeah, I reckon he could be having a lunch break. I don't think he's gonna come out. Might be going, Dave.
Wait for 3 minutes and see.
Yeah.
Or two.
Come on, move. We had the perfect spot as well. That's the funniest part.
This is like the best spot. Wow. Move! Jeez, you're running late now.
To be honest, you could like record it for a minute and just loop it. That's exactly what he's doing.
So far out, man. Jeez.
So it's just a static video of a train track right now. Come on, you got this. We should go over there and take it ourselves. Take it for a little joyride.
Oh, there's. At least we've got movement.
Yes.
At least that's some movement. Like far out, man.
We got some good footage of it. Actually, we caught it just in time.
Well, yeah. So
You know,
this.
we just arrived now. We would miss it because it's not moving. So this one holds more passengers.
Around about 1,100.
Really?
So
How much do they normally fit?
I think just over 800.
So this is a big increase.
It's a big increase. Why am I getting bored?
Oh, come on.
I've got more like V1 side things.
He's not moving. Moving in this instance.
I'm not getting. This one's still here. I mean,
Oh, there's train to there.
oh,
Another one. So, yeah, this is a train service. Kind of good.
so that's the. Even though they've been filling that
Must
one.
be a fellow. Must be testing all the tracks. Hey, at least we got it to move. It might not have been the train, but we got a train. That's awesome. Look how big it is. Wow. So is that the longest? 7 carriages is the longest?
Yeah, usually sits. Usually sits.
Wow. Do you think 7K is going to be standard issue now that everywhere gets